Frank Marafino here, another quick lesson about the cube. So this cube's partially solved, and we're looking at the bottom four corners and getting all the greens facing in the right direction. And so often in solving the cube, you're looking for pattern recognition and what's the next pattern I need to solve. And at this point we're, like I said, at the moving all the corners facing away, all the green facing away from the blue. All the corners are in the right position relative to each other, so we're good there. So when I see this, I see, okay, these two are out and these two are this way. Then I know I need to do that move of mine that I instructed once there, and then I've got one now pointing that way, and of course this is here, so then I just do it again there, and I'm good to go. Now all the edges happen to fall back into position because of how I did it. Here's another pattern recognition. These are four centers, which is simply up, down, and then another up and down. So again, it's pattern recognition. Same thing when you get to the point in the cube where you're looking at two that are like this. Okay, well, obviously you know that's this 12-step move. Okay, so much of this is pattern recognition in solving the cube. Let me do one other one where I want to show you one other pattern. So I see this here. I'm looking at the corners, the green corners opposite blue, and I see that only one's facing opposite blue, but before I can do that, I've got to get them all in the same position relative to each other. You see that green, orange, white, and then green, yellow, orange here. That's correct. But then over here, you've got this one. These two actually need to be switched. So I see that pattern, and I know, okay, I need to put them at the bottom, and I want to do this move here, which is in one of my other videos, where we go here, up, back, okay, now we have them all in the correct order relative to each other. Okay, so you can see green, orange, white, green, red, white, green, red, yellow, green, yellow, orange. So they're all in the right position. Now again, they're not facing the right orientation, so I know I need to do this other move twice. But again, it's starting at the right spot so that you get to where you have just one green facing, and then of course, the second time you do it, all four. You only ever have to do it twice if you start in the right spot. Sometimes it's only one, sometimes they fall into place automatically. And that's the end of this lesson.